This 24-pack of Sunco 6-inch canless recessed lights delivers bright, even illumination that easily replaces traditional high-wattage cans while using a fraction of the power. The selectable color temperature switch lets you fine-tune each fixture from warm to daylight tones, so you can match the lighting to kitchens, living rooms, offices, or hallways without buying different models. An integrated warm night light mode that you can trigger from a standard wall switch adds a gentle, low-level glow that is ideal for late-night trips without harsh brightness. Both the main downlight and the night light respond smoothly to compatible dimmers, giving you wide control over mood lighting and energy use throughout the day. The ultra-slim canless design with included junction boxes and spring clips makes installation in drywall or soffits straightforward for remodels or new construction, even where ceiling space is tight. These fixtures are insulation contact rated and backed by a long manufacturer warranty, which inspires confidence for large whole home or multi-room projects.